What's good, family? It's Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and you know I had to come back and hit y'all with another play. Today I want to talk about how we can leverage eBay to make $100 or more per day by using or selling lots of books, okay? So I got a couple of books here that I want to show you guys some examples of lots or packages you can put together so we can get that cash flow coming in. I primarily like to deal with kids books on eBay. This book here, Captain Underpants. If you guys are ever out at thrift stores, yard sales, whatever, Facebook Marketplace, make sure to look for this title. You guys can lock these books together as a set, throw them up on eBay and make money off of these. So BOLO, be on the lookout for Captain Underpants series. This is always a hot seller with kids. Another book that's not actually a kid's book, but they do really well as sets. Anything by Bill O'Reilly, not just this author, any other best-selling authors. You can lock books like these together and make money, guys. Put them in a lot on eBay. I usually do buy it now or best offer. You can also list them as an auction. So any books by best-selling authors, and you can group them by the author or by the genre or the type of books that you have. Also, these small New Testament Bibles, they always do very well. A lot of people don't know about this. So these small pocket Bibles, if you lot them up or package them in a lot, put them together, throw them on eBay, they do really well, and you guys can generate some more income off of these small books. Another one of my secrets that I like to list, I'm giving y'all all a game. Golden books, that's what I call them. Little golden books. As you can see, they have the golden spine here. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but it has that golden spine. Whenever you lock these together, these are easy sellers on eBay. Again, you want to make sure, check the condition, make sure it's no torn pages. Whenever you guys have maybe a little bit of writing or dedication page on the first page or the inside cover, it's okay. We really just don't want the scribbling, too much torn pages, or anything that's affecting the text in the book for the buyers or the kids to read. Another lot that I like to put up is paperback books. They don't necessarily have to be scholastic, but long as you find paperback books in good condition, picture books or anything of that sort, you can lock these books together and sell them on eBay, guys. So be on the lookout. I know you guys probably see this all the time in thrift stores, yard sales, or whatever. All we need to do is purchase them for a price point that makes sense, lot them together. You guys can sell them for a profit on eBay. Another one of my lots that I always list is hardback books. Now you have to be careful with these because they weigh a little bit more, but if you get some hardback books that's in great shape, very good condition or better, you can lock these also together on eBay. Any titles work, long as they're kids books. Lot them together, throw them on eBay, and let's make some money. Another one of my secrets, the Tag and Leapfrog series. This is another type of kids book. If you ever run past these for a good deal, make sure to throw them up on eBay. You can make money by selling these lots. People are always looking for the Leapfrog or the Tag series. Another lot that I like to list, one of my favorite lots on eBay, Bernstein Bears. Now I know I'm showing my age a little bit, but back in the day, Bernstein Bears was the move, right? If you guys come across these books, make sure to keep them, lot them together. I don't know if you guys can see a little bit on the back. My camera is not really the best, but they have the series of Bernstein Bears. So you can collect as many as you need to, lot them together. You don't have to have the whole set, and you can generate funds off of this series also. As you guys know, Dr. Seuss. Now they do have the smaller books of the Dr. Seuss, but these bigger collectible ones usually fetch more money. So if you get the big ones, they're going to demand a higher price point than the smaller ones, but the smaller ones still do well also. So whenever you get a Dr. Seuss, especially when it's Dr. Seuss Day, they're gonna sell like hotcake. I think last year I probably made a couple $1,000s on Dr. Seuss Day by keeping these lots and selling them at the prime time when I knew everybody was looking to buy them. Another reason they did so well last year is because they banned 2 or 3 titles from Dr. Seuss, and I ended up having those copies. So people were rushing out to buy them because they are no longer being printed. So make sure to look up those titles so that if you ever come across them, you can pick them out and then sell them as a collectible Dr. Seuss book. Another lot that I like to put up is the Step Into Reading or Level Reader books. Kids constantly are learning to read, whether they're doing homeschool or in the classroom or virtual. These are always a hot seller when it comes to kids books. So no matter the level, whether it's pre-1, whether it's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, it goes all the way up to 5. Make sure to stick these in a lot and keep them every time you come across them. This is another way to generate some income streams on eBay. The next one is the Magic School Bus. This is also another older series, but they do real well on eBay. Make sure you keep the Magic School Bus. Throw these in a lot, no matter if it's hardcover or paperback. They do real well on eBay. This series would be another way to create a stream of income selling books through eBay. And that's just a few of the sets that I like to put up on eBay. You still have other sets like the Harry Potter set, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Beast Quest, Babysitter's Club, Fairies Club. Guys, it's so many options and so many ways to generate income on eBay through selling books. Again, you guys can choose any set or any series. They all will work. Just make sure you do your research whenever you go over to eBay. You want to click sold to filter out and look at only the listings that have been completed or sold. And then from there, you want to go through and look when it's the last time that actual set sold and how much it sold for to determine your pricing. Also remember to calculate and don't forget the shipping fee. We're going to ship all these books through media mail, so go through, check the weight of the book to make sure it makes sense and there's enough profitability for you. So again, that's the play. Go out, find you some cheap books. Most of the time they're giving these kids books away for free. They're passing them on. Go collect their trash and turn it into our treasure. So that's the play. All we gotta do is go out there and run it. It's Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and if you hadn't already, slide over there to IG to follow your boy at Travis_GWV. And if you hadn't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, please click that subscribe button. I'm trying to help people create multiple streams of income to build their generational wealth. Y'all be blessed. See you on the next play.